Can't figure out how to connect your Apex Markets account to MetaTrader 5? You're just a few clicks away from live market access and the best trading experience. Most traders sign up for trading platforms but often get stuck at the connection setup. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Log into your Apex Markets client portal at apexmarkets.io. Step 2. Check your email for your MT5 login details after creating an account. Step 3. Open MetaTrader 5, and if on a computer, click File, or on the phone, click Settings, log into Trade Account. Step 4. Enter the login credentials which you got in your email. This includes your MT5 login, password, and select the Apex Capital Markets server. Step 5. Click OK, and you're live. Real prices, real trades, real fast. Now you're fully synced and ready to trade like a pro with Apex Markets power behind you. Need help connecting? Visit apexmarkets.io to contact our dedicated support team now, and we'll guide you through how to connect your trade account easily.